Sure, some people like big airports, but we're just not that type. Social distancing? We've been doing something like it for years, but we took it to the next level with floor decals to mark proper social distance, plexiglass barriers, blocked terminal seating, and plenty of room to sit down and grab a bite. Face coverings are otherwise required. Clean terminals? You bet. We use electrostatic disinfecting sprayers, and we frequently sanitize touch points and restrooms. You'll also find hand sanitizing stations throughout the airport. That arrive more than 2 hours before your flight rule? Not necessary here. We're all about less crowds and less hassle. At the Quad City International Airport, we think being your hometown choice is our biggest asset. That's why we go QC. To learn more about our COVID-19 response, go to qcairport.com/COVID.